Hello, hello. I am on the road coming to you live for a very special reason today because I am, as we speak, on the way to pick up the helpers from the train station. Yay! They're back, or they will be in about 15 minutes. So it's going to be a very exciting day today, not only because the helpers are back, but also because they're going to see all of the changes that have been made since the last time they were here 10 months ago. And there have been some big changes. I was thinking about this morning, we've had 3 bedrooms that were either semi-completed or completely completed in that time. The hallway has entirely transformed. Obviously, we've built a new room. We've built a new future bathroom that they have not seen at all in any way yet. We've built another wall to section off one of the bedrooms. There's been a lot of big changes, guys. There's been a lot, and today they're going to get to actually see them and give some opinions. So I'm so excited for them to come in and see all the big changes. Very, very happy, and of course they are beyond excited to be back at Everdeen and to start working on the summer projects with me and Laurent. So let's go grab them. Another very exciting thing for the helpers is that Laurent's boys are here, Laurent's 2 sons. The helpers are going to get in some quality step grandparenting time. So they are pretty excited for that. We're also really happy this worked out that way, not only so that they can have some time with the boys, but so that they can also distract the boys so that we can get actual work done. From time to time over the next videos, you might see a child in the background or hear a child. We have talked about the boys being on the channel, Laurent and I. For the time being, they're still so young, we want to not show them on the channel for the moment because, you know, children and the internet and social media and all that kind of stuff, it's a very gray, tricky area. So we've decided for the moment not to introduce the boys, but you'll probably see signs of them at some point because they're not the most subtle children. Hello! Are you glad to be back?
Oh, absolutely. I love for you. It's good just to step off the train and see the hills.
And this time you got your guitar already.
Oh, got the guitars. We're ready to go.
We're about to have a lot of custom theme music on the channel.
Before we headed to Everdeen, we stopped quickly at the local cafe to have a quick drink and to catch up with Laurent and the boys.
All right, do you want to see the first, possibly the biggest change since you were last here?
What's that?
Yes. It's in the barn.
Oh, yeah, absolutely. Is that the first wood? Is that the wood they took out of the barn?
Yeah, so this was just scrap wood that was in the barn, and when they did the...
Man, that's serious wood right
Well,
there.
I'm a little worried that it's rotten, but I'm hoping that this piece can be salvaged because I would like to sand it down, varnish it, and make it a bench.
Yes.
I doubt that that's right.
Or
enough
even
to
a
we can
table
we
against the wall.
can do a little boring, one little small hole, and find out if it's rotten.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking, is we could test it. And
But look at those holes. Also, you can go and take a knife blade or a screwdriver and dive those holes and poke.
Yeah.
I very much doubt that's rotted enough to be too weak to hold people. Boys, but the thing would be to put multiple supports, not just one big one.
well, there's a place
Those are no
that's
good.
in stone. I'll show you in a second that I have in mind for it, where it wouldn't even need supports.
Look up and tell me if you see any bats before I come in there.
The bats are all sleeping right now.
I'm not riding on that.
Yeah.
Oh, this is amazing. Look what a difference this is. Oh, and you left the hay rack. That's so good.
Yeah, I don't know if we're gonna if we're gonna leave it forever.
I'll bring the vacuum out and get all this junk off of it.
Is
And
that the
we
back
need to repair
exit
that
up
window
there?
right there.
We need to repair all the
You
windows.
know what? That's a door, but if that were a window and that was fixed.
Oh, that's gonna be a window. All the upper level is gonna be normal windows.
Oh, really? That'd make a
Yeah.
huge difference with
But have you looked down?
what?
Have you looked down?
Yeah, no.
Yeah. Doesn't it make a big difference? There's an actual floor in here.
It's like a usable space.
Huge.
Well, it was in fact used this morning because the boys got in here on their hoverboards and were playing around because it's a nice smooth surface for that.
A nice contained place for that.
Yeah.
We gotta take a look at that roof right there, though.
The carpenters and all the workmen have looked at the roof and said that it's fine.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. It's been checked by a lot of people. So now the question is, I think we're going to leave 2 walls in stone. So probably this wall that's right behind you. And then this wall next to it. Because those are both in really good condition. And then some of these other walls that have a little bit more of they have plaster and they have things stuck to them and they have little holes. We're probably going to cover them somehow, but we're not sure how yet. That's to be seen. But that's what I was talking about. That was the place I'm thinking for a bench.
Yeah.
Because that piece of wood is just about the right size.
Right.
And the stone is already in the shape of a bench. So it'd be a really nice place for people to relax during training.
Had that stone raised up like that.
I think it was some kind of animal feeding trough type thing.
Of course, they put hay here and the hay
Yeah.
came down, and the animals pulled it out. The cows or whatever pulled it out and ate it.
Yeah.
Those beams are something. Look at that.
Oh yeah, you didn't see the beams. Did you? The last time you guys were in here, was it open yet or was it still in 2 stories?
No, I think it was not open.
No, it was dark.
I mean, you're here for decoration mainly. I'm going to film and you're going to look beautiful.
Okay.
Great. All right, so good job. All right, are you ready for the annual, here's what we've done in the last 10 months since you've been here,
We're ready.
Big
reveal.
I'm
All
ready.
right, reveal number 1,
The wallpaper on the wall.
the hallway.
The
I know.
hallway has wallpaper on the wall.
I know, it's beautiful.
On the video, it's hard to tell that it has this faint green cast to it.
Yeah.
Right.
Oh, really?
It
Yeah,
looks
well, to
more
me,
gold
just to
on
me.
gold to me on
Yeah,
the video.
and I could not tell this
Yeah.
color,
This is
this
pretty.
faint green color on the video.
Also, the video makes the hall look twice as long
Oh,
as
it
it
does.
actually is.
I mean, it is pretty long. Like if I
It's long
come all the way
enough,
down
especially
here to the end.
Paper down, I would say.
Yeah, it depends on if you're
Oh, and
having
it
the
went
paper
around this
with
curve. The paper
like
went around this
this.
curve. Good. This is where the window seat's going to be.
Definitely a window seat.
Yeah,
Yep.
that's going to be your reading nook window seat.
Yes.
Great. And then, right now we don't have mattresses for a lot of the beds, but in the future you'll be able to select your bedroom from multiple choices on this end of the house. Do you want to walk in? You can walk into,
Yeah.
you can walk
This
into
is
that
where
one.
That shower room used to. Oh, now see, on the video, I can't see the figurine in this wallpaper there much either. Oh no, this is nice. This is nice. That bed worked out good. That bed worked out good in here.
That
Yeah.
looks terrific in here. That was in the
Yeah.
back.
Doesn't that work good?
And I
Yes.
love having that view out the window.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it feels like, let me zoom out a little. It feels like a much bigger room than it is, doesn't it?
Right. It's plenty big
Turning the
enough.
bed across the window was definitely the right
Yeah.
move.
Yeah.
Even if you did have to take it apart again.
It looks like it weighs about 500 pounds.
It was very
It
heavy.
does.
You can see much more detail in the wallpaper in reality than you can on the video.
Yeah.
Much
There's-
more.
You have room for a chair.
Yeah, I
You
think
have
chair,
room
like right
for a
there.
Table.
Yeah.
And it won't seem too crowded.
All right, so next room, you're going to go straight across the hall. This room is a little messy and very much not finished yet, but also different than the last time you saw it.
Oh, I love the bookcases right off. The bookcases make a world of difference right off. The flat color on the walls is good in this room, I think.
So what I'm thinking now with this room is that we might do a chair rail. So just like one accent wood trim piece here.
Maybe Mom doesn't want to do that.
Maybe it's that there.
Maybe Mom wants to leave that alone.
No, this room feels much larger with this light flat.
Yeah. Which is ironic, 'cause it's actually a meter smaller.
I know, but it feels much larger.
Are
Yeah.
you putting this shelf back up?
Yes, but I don't know where.
Uh-huh.
Not in this room. Maybe in the apartment, when we do the apartment, I'm
Why?
thinking.
Because you want these to be the focal.
No, this
Yeah.
this flat white, off-white. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yeah,
That's
these
the
are
art that I've
ones
selected to
you
go in here.
replaced.
Yeah.
That's just enough color when it's against this light.
And then, of course, we're going to have another shelf over the window and a window seat under the window. So it's
Well, the
really
bookcases make a world of
the
difference.
the window seat framed by the
The
bookcases.
bookcases make a world of difference. They really do.
All right, shall we continue on? Because there's a room that I am surprised. It feels weird to me that you guys haven't seen yet because it's been finished for a while, but you have not seen it. Continue looking beautiful, please. Yeah, you have one job. That was nice, yeah. All right, garden room.
Oh, yes, I do like this wallpaper with that furniture.
Oh, yeah.
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 This wallpaper,
Well, this worked good with this wall.
the
But-
video throws the color off so much.
It looks really different in the video, doesn't it?
It really
The
does.
lavender.
Yeah.
The
Has a lot more
color
green
is
in it.
much more in reality than
Yeah.
it is in the video.
So all that this room needs is a mattress.
Yeah.
All right, so I think those are all the major changes. I would like to direct your attention across the hallway to the room that's full of your stuff.
Oh dear. What we left last time
Oh, this is
before
what
we
we
brought
already
more.
abandoned down here.
Yeah,
Oh yeah.
Oh boy.
Oh dear.
Now we got 2 giant suitcases
Oh, dear.
more of it. Uh-oh.
Yeah. I'll just leave you guys here to deal with that, shall I? Have
Yes,
fun.
ma'am.
There's the least finished of all the projects.
Yeah. There's going to be a bathtub over there under the window.
So over there where that big piece of cardboard is, that's where the bathtub's going to be.
Mm-hmm.
And then the shower is going to be like directly on the left as you walk in.
Yep.
And yeah, the sink's going to be somewhere over here.
A sink over here.
Yeah. That is the plan. And this is priority number 1 for this week of work.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Go on, beautiful model. Oh yeah. You're like the Vanna White of this video. Your job is to walk and look good. Wow. So talented.
Yeah.
All right, come in here.
This was the very first room
Yep.
that became usable.
Oh yeah, that
So-
looks great.
Well, it wasn't the very first room.
Oh yeah, look at the
Yeah.
mirrors.
That was the very
great
first
idea.
room. And
That was a great idea.
we've just added in the mirror walls in there.
The mirror wall, yes.
Yes.
Didn't it turn out good?
It really did. You know, it's just,
With your
I could
regular
never
shapes,
imagine
I
something like
those.
that.
I was really happy with how it turned out. It turned out even better than I imagined it.
Yep. And because they're all askew, the difference is that silver?
Where did
No,
you
that was
find
gold,
mirrors in those weird shapes like that?
Dollar store.
Really?
Yep. Back to base. All right, how does it feel to be back?
too.
Good.
Great.
And
Very
what
good.
do we think of the changes?
Big change. A lot of work.
It's amazing.
A lot of work.
It's absolutely amazing.
The wallpaper choices to me make it.
Yeah, you can't see the detail and the impression of the wallpaper really on video as well. Not nearly as well. I can't.
But
Some
when
of
you're
them-
in the midst of it, and
makes a
I mean,
big
they're
difference.
just beautiful. They're beautiful.
Yay, thank
And
you.
how
also
little
in the
things-
small room downstairs.
Mm-hmm.
Just the fact that
Yeah.
you can feel it's got texture. I like that.
That's
And
nice.
how just a little thing like the mirrors in the bathroom, how much difference it makes.
Yeah.
Because it opens that bathroom up. It doesn't feel like a little bitty. And Lord, that thing felt like an absolute tiny closet when we started working on it. That was 3 years ago.
You're
that
going
we
to have to
realized
do
that.
something interesting with that wall.
I think we're going to start by putting drywall over it. and then see how we go from there.
A blank slate and see what
Yeah,
happens.
that's definitely on the list of projects for the summer,
Oh,
which
yeah.
is a long and extensive list. Well,
It's great.
I'm glad that you
It's
guys are
amazing.
here. It makes me happy that you're back.
We are
And
definitely happy to be here.
We have to
Anytime.
look out at our favorite view. We haven't done that.
oh yeah, you haven't done that. Okay, we can finish off with the favorite view.
Yeah. Ooh, it is. It absolutely is. I love it on the end of the videos when that view is there and that music. Da, 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 da. That's great. Because it fits this view. Ooh, look, Diane, big rows of hay right down there under the shed.